Good day, travel buddies. It's Erica, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this adventure. Today we're exploring a stunning beach on the southern coast of Spain. As we begin our walk, we're greeted by the sight of golden sand dunes, gently undulating in the breeze. The sun is warm on our skin, and the salty air is invigorating. As we make our way to the water's edge, we can see the waves creating intricate patterns on the sand, leaving behind a trail of shells and seaweed. The turquoise waters beckon us closer, and we can see people enjoying a range of water sports, from surfing and paddleboarding to snorkeling and diving.
Hey guys, I've got a unique platform to share with you. Check out the link in the pinned comment below for an unforgettable and adult experience.
As we continue our walk, we stumble upon a group of locals practicing yoga on the beach. Their graceful movements and the serene atmosphere they create are truly captivating. A little further on, we encounter a family flying colorful kites, their laughter ringing through the air as the kites dance and weave in the sky. When it's time for a break, we discover a cozy beach bar where we can sample some delicious local dishes and refreshing drinks. As we relax in the shade, we can't help but admire the panoramic view of the beach and the sparkling sea beyond. As the sun begins its descent, the sky is transformed into a breathtaking canvas of color, casting a soft glow on the sand and the waves. We pause for a moment to take in the beauty of this magical scene before heading back to our starting point. I hope you enjoyed our beach walk in southern Spain. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'm excited to explore more beautiful beaches with you in future videos. See you soon.